Have you noticed your car shifting erratically or completely failing to change gears while driving down the road? You might be looking at a P0863 trouble code. This generic OBD2 code means there is a communication circuit malfunction with your transmission control module. In modern vehicles built after 1996, everything is controlled by a network of computers that talk to each other over a system called the Controller Area Network Bus. The engine computer relies on continuous communication with the transmission control module to calculate the perfect shift strategy. The system uses high-pressure fluid, electronic solenoids, and speed sensors to smoothly change gears. If the engine computer detects an abnormal electrical condition and loses that vital communication link with the transmission module, it will immediately store the P0863 code and turn on your check engine light. When this breakdown happens, the symptoms are very noticeable. Your transmission might shift much more harshly than normal, slip out of gear, or completely fail to shift. You will likely see a drop in fuel efficiency, and you might even notice that your anti-lock braking system has been disabled since those systems share speed data. There are several reasons this code triggers. It could be caused by a failed transmission sensor, a bad vehicle speed sensor, or a broken wire inside the main communication harness. It could also stem from a mechanical transmission failure, a defective computer module, or a software programming error. Diagnosing a communication code is fairly complex. Start by using an advanced diagnostic scanner to pull all stored codes, because you will often find other codes that help pinpoint the root cause. Visually inspect the wiring harnesses connecting the engine computer to the transmission computer. Look for any wires that are cut, burned, or corroded. You will need a digital volt-ohm meter to test the voltage and ground circuits directly at the transmission module plug. If you do not have voltage, you must trace the circuit back to check for blown fuses. If the transmission module has power and ground, test the corresponding pins at the engine computer to check for an open wire. If all the wiring is intact, you might be dealing with a failed module. This is exactly when you need to take your car to a professional mechanic. Network communication errors often require expensive shop tools to test data signals, and if a computer module needs replacing, it must be programmed to your specific vehicle by a certified technician. Thanks for watching, and keep your vehicle running strong.